Добро пожаловать and labdien! Welcome to my channel, Ali's Yummy Food. I'm so excited to have you here in my kitchen. I've got something really exciting for you. I have collaborated together with Alaskan Seafood and I'm gonna prepare 4 amazing, quick and easy family no fuss dinners with salmon. They won't take longer than 15 minutes to prepare. I really wanted to make something quick and easy, something if you're busy, if you have a big family. These recipes taste incredible, and I'll be sharing a new recipe with salmon every single week on Wednesday. So today we're gonna start it off with my delicious favorite 15-minute cheesy salmon recipe. And I just want to say thank you for Alaskan Seafood for sponsoring this video and sending me this delicious salmon. I'm obsessed with salmon and I eat it all the time, and I just also want to bring awareness to eating more fish every week, because it's got all these benefits to it, all the omega-3s and 9s and 6. It is just so good for your skin, for your face, for your hair. Absolutely amazing benefits. I will list everything that I use in my blog and you'll find the recipe there as well. And I know you're gonna love this recipe. It's so delicious, and this one particularly reminds me of my home in Latvia, because my granny used to bake different types of fish with this crust of cheese, that sauce underneath, and that crunchy onion. So I know you're gonna love it as well. So now let's get started. Over here I've got my salmon, parsley, mayo, mustard, lemon and onion. The ingredients are very simple, and of course I'm using these delicious wild Alaskan soaky salmon fillets. They're really flaky, very delicious and lean, full of protein and just so amazing. I just want to show you the color. They're completely natural. There's no additives or preservatives in them, which a lot of the salmon actually producers add. So this is very one of the best quality. Here I have lined my baking tray with some parchment paper, and I'm going to use the fillets and put them right in the middle. I'm gonna kind of squeeze them together, get them close, just like that. And if you have a large one, you can also do that. Then I'm gonna season it with some salt, and then I'm also adding sugar, just a little bit. We're gonna set this aside, and now we're gonna make our secret topping. So in a large bowl, add your mayonnaise. You can also use light version if you wanted to. Add mustard. We're then gonna squeeze half a lemon juice. Lemon really adds that flavor to the sauce. And then I'm also squeezing cloves of garlic inside. You can add more or less garlic, it's completely up to you. Lastly, I'm gonna slice my onion into these rings, just like that. If you don't like the raw onion, sort of the crunchiness of the onion, you can always fry the onion beforehand. I do like the crunchiness. And what you want to do, you want to cut the onion in half and then squeeze and move it into your hands. That way it's just going to release some juices and it will be nice and soft. Into your bowl, add a little bit of pepper. If you need to add more salt, but I think it's enough. And then mix everything together until it's nice and incorporated and it has this nice, delicious filling mixture. So we're gonna add this mixture on top of our delicious salmon and just evenly spread it around, even it out. Make sure it covers pretty much the entire salmon. After that, of course, we're gonna also top it up with delicious cheese. I'm using just grated cheddar cheese. You can also use mozzarella cheese or any other cheese that you prefer. We're going to bake this for about 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. If you wanted to make it really crusty on top with the cheese, you can add the grill option for a couple of minutes to make sure the cheese is grilled on top. Just look at that, it smells absolutely amazing in the kitchen. You want to put it down and then serve it with a bit of dill. You can add parsley if you want to. I just like dill as it's more traditional in Eastern Europe. And then you can serve it for the entire family, or if it's just 2 of you eating, I can easily probably eat this whole thing by myself. You can decorate in any way that you want. You're gonna love this super easy and quickly baked cheesy salmon recipe. And it's just so amazing. It is very healthy due to the fish, as it has high protein content, vitamin D, and oh my god, these salmon fillets are just baked in the oven under melted golden cheese crust with a layer of mayonnaise and sliced onions. It's literally one of those amazing dishes that you will want to make in just 15 minutes at home. And the salmon is really flaky, very delicious. The texture is incredible. All the flavors go well together. Yeah, and if you have a big family, you can just make more fillets in the same baking tray and then just serve it up with salad, rice, potatoes, noodles, whatever you want. Or if you're trying to be healthy, you can just add more vegetables near it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.